Soul retrieval is an ancient practice that allows you to reclaim lost parts of yourself, restoring wholeness and balance. Don't dismiss the signs your soul is giving you, as they can unveil the path to your true self. Imagine the feeling of rediscovering pieces of your soul that you thought were lost forever. This powerful process can heal deep emotional wounds, restore your vitality, and bring a profound sense of peace and wholeness. As you embark on this journey, you will learn to recognize the signs that indicate parts of your soul are missing and understand the importance of retrieving them. Ignoring the need for soul retrieval can lead to a sense of emptiness and disconnection. When parts of your soul are missing, you may feel like something is always off, like you're not fully present in your own life. This disconnection can manifest as chronic feelings of sadness, anxiety, or a lack of purpose. It can affect your relationships, your work, and your overall sense of well-being. The consequences of not addressing these missing pieces can be far-reaching, impacting every aspect of your life. Reclaiming these lost parts is essential for your overall well-being and spiritual growth, helping you to feel whole again and live your life to the fullest. Soul loss can manifest in various ways, including feelings of emptiness, lack of purpose, and disconnection from oneself and others. It's as if parts of your essence have been left behind or taken away during traumatic experiences. This can happen due to events like severe stress, accidents, loss of a loved one, or any situation that deeply impacts you emotionally. When you experience soul loss, you might feel like you're just going through the motions, unable to find joy or meaning in the things that once made you happy. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step towards healing. By acknowledging that these feelings are a sign of soul loss, you can begin the journey of reclaiming those lost parts and restoring your wholeness. This process involves deep introspection and a willingness to confront and heal past traumas. Soul retrieval is a powerful spiritual practice that allows you to reclaim lost parts of yourself, restoring wholeness and balance in your life. It helps you reconnect with your true essence and purpose, allowing you to live more authentically and fully. When you retrieve these lost parts, you integrate the fragmented pieces of your soul, which can lead to profound healing and transformation. This practice is not only about mending past wounds, but also about empowering yourself to move forward with a renewed sense of strength and clarity. By incorporating soul retrieval into your spiritual practice, you create a foundation for deeper self-awareness and a stronger connection to your inner guidance. This, in turn, can enhance all aspects of your life, from your relationships to your career, as you align more closely with your true self. The process of soul retrieval involves identifying the lost parts, understanding their significance, and integrating them back into your being. This journey requires courage and commitment, as it often means revisiting painful memories and emotions. The first step is to become aware of the parts of your soul that are missing. This awareness can come through meditation, dreams, or working with a skilled practitioner who can help you uncover these lost fragments. Once you have identified these parts, the next step is to understand why they were lost. This involves looking at the traumatic events or experiences that caused these parts to separate from your soul. Understanding the significance of these events helps you to process the emotions and heal the wounds associated with them. Finally, the integration process involves welcoming these lost parts back into your being, often through rituals, ceremonies, or guided meditations. This reintegration allows you to feel more complete and connected, both to yourself and to the world around you. Working with a shaman or spiritual guide can provide invaluable support in your soul retrieval journey. These practitioners have the knowledge and experience to guide you through the process, helping you navigate the complexities of retrieving and integrating lost soul parts. A shaman or spiritual guide can create a safe and sacred space for you to explore your inner world, providing the tools and techniques needed for successful soul retrieval. They can help you identify the specific parts of your soul that need to be reclaimed and assist you in understanding the deeper significance of your experiences. They can offer support and healing energy to help you process and release any emotions that arise during the journey. By working with a shaman or spiritual guide, you can feel more confident and supported as you undertake this transformative practice. Many individuals have experienced profound transformations through soul retrieval, Their stories serve as a testament to the power of this ancient practice. For instance, someone who felt perpetually anxious and disconnected from their surroundings might find that after a soul retrieval session, they feel more grounded and present. Another person might discover a renewed sense of purpose and direction in life, having reclaimed parts of their soul that were lost due to past trauma. These personal stories highlight the potential for deep healing and change that soul retrieval offers. Hearing about others' journeys can be inspiring and reassuring, showing that it is possible to overcome feelings of emptiness and disconnection. These experiences demonstrate that soul retrieval can lead to significant improvements in mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Soul retrieval can lead to increased self-awareness, emotional healing, and a deeper connection with your true self. By reclaiming lost parts of your soul, you restore a sense of wholeness and balance within yourself. This process can enhance your overall well-being, helping you to feel more grounded and centered. Emotional wounds that may have been affecting you for years can begin to heal, leading to a greater sense of peace and contentment. Soul retrieval can help you develop a stronger connection to your inner wisdom and intuition, allowing you to navigate life with more clarity and confidence. As you integrate these lost parts, you may also find that your relationships improve as you are able to connect more authentically with others. Overall, the benefits of soul retrieval extend beyond just the individual, fostering a sense of harmony and balance in all areas of life. Preparing for a soul retrieval session involves setting intentions, creating a sacred space, and being open to the process. It's important to approach this practice with a clear mind and a willing heart. Start by setting a clear intention for what you hope to achieve through soul retrieval. This could be healing a specific trauma, regaining a sense of purpose, or simply feeling more whole. Creating a sacred space is also crucial. This can be a quiet room in your home where you feel safe and undisturbed. Fill the space with items that have personal significance to you, such as crystals, candles, or meaningful objects. Finally, approach the session with an open mind and heart, ready to embrace whatever comes up during the process. Trust in the guidance of the shaman or spiritual practitioner you are working with, and be willing to let go of any expectations or preconceived notions about what the experience should be like. After the soul retrieval session, it's important to integrate the reclaimed parts into your daily life. This involves ongoing self-reflection, healing practices, and maintaining a connection with your true self. Take time to reflect on the insights and experiences gained during the session. Journaling can be a helpful way to process your thoughts and emotions. Engaging in regular self-care practices, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, can also support the integration process. These activities help to ground you and reinforce the connection with your newly reclaimed soul parts. Maintaining a dialogue with your inner self through meditation or quiet contemplation can help you stay connected to your true essence. Remember that integration is an ongoing process, and it's important to be patient and compassionate with yourself as you navigate this journey. Soul retrieval can be challenging, as it brings up deep-seated emotions and past traumas. However, by staying committed to the process and seeking support, you can overcome these challenges and achieve profound healing. It's common to experience emotional upheaval or resistance during the soul retrieval process. You might feel overwhelmed by the intensity of the emotions that surface or struggle with doubts and fears. In these moments, it's important to remember that these feelings are a natural part of the healing process. Seeking support from a trusted friend, therapist, or spiritual guide can provide invaluable assistance. They can offer a safe space for you to express your emotions and provide guidance on how to navigate these challenges. Practicing self-compassion and patience with yourself can help you move through the process with more ease and grace. Remember that healing is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. If you resonate with the signs we've discussed and feel called to reclaim lost parts of yourself, take the first step towards soul retrieval. Join our community of wisdom seekers, subscribe to the channel, and share your experiences. By participating in this community, you can find support and encouragement from others who are on a similar journey. Sharing your story and hearing others' experiences can provide inspiration and reassurance, helping you to feel less alone in your process. Don't forget to like this video, and leave a comment if it resonated with you. Your support helps us to continue creating valuable content and sharing enlightening knowledge. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Soul retrieval is a powerful and transformative practice that can help you reclaim lost parts of yourself and restore a sense of wholeness and balance in your life. By recognizing the signs of soul loss and taking steps to address them, you can heal deep emotional wounds and reconnect with your true essence. This journey requires courage and commitment, but the benefits are profound. As you integrate the lost parts of your soul, you will experience greater self-awareness, emotional healing, and a deeper connection to your true self. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. There is a community of wisdom seekers ready to support and encourage you. Take the first step towards soul retrieval and embrace the process of reclaiming your wholeness.